So let's continue. Arthur visited a beautiful place with Merlin, and there he also saw a deep lake. And when he approached to the lake, a beautiful hand with decorated with golden bracelet came from the deep lake of the water, and it held a sword. Okay, this is the Excalibur, Merlin said. Only an honest and fearless knight who protects the common people can possess this sword. So this magical sword, okay, this mysterious sword which was held by the mysterious hand was actually the Excalibur. Here Merlin gave the information to Arthur, King Arthur, that this is the Excalibur. And what is the characteristic of Excalibur? Only an honest and fearless knight. Okay, honest, সাহসী, fearless means সাহসী, and সৎ সাহসী যোদ্ধাই only protects, who protects the common people, যে সাধারণ মানুষকে প্রোটেক্ট করবে সেই একমাত্র এই সোর্ডটা পেতে পারে, সেই আর অন্য কেউ কিন্তু এটা পসেস করতে পারবে না। King Arthur accepted the enchanted sword from the mysterious hand appearing from the depths of the lake. Okay, enchanted means magical. So King Arthur accepted this magical sword, means the Excalibur, from this mysterious hand. I shall never use this magic sword for any personal benefit, King Arthur declared. At that moment, King Arthur made a declaration. What was that? That she shall never use this magical sword, this Excalibur, okay, for his personal benefit. So he only will use this magical sword Excalibur for the welfare of the common people, not for his personal benefits. Is that clear? So now let's continue. King Arthur could give peace and prosperity to England. It's quite natural that being a good king, being a noble king, Arthur could offer a peaceful and prosperous life to the people of England. The greedy barons were unhappy with King Arthur because he was gentle and just. So it's a very bad time for the fighting barons, the bad people also. They were unhappy because Arthur was so gentle and just, means he established lawfulness. Okay, he established the justice. King Arthur established justice in his kingdom. He married the beautiful lady Guinevere, daughter of the King of Cornwall. On the wedding day means the day of their marriage, Merlin took him to a richly gilded pavilion painted crimson and dark blue. Okay, crimsons mean dark red in color and also dark blue color. So on his day of marriage, Merlin, his present guardian, took King Arthur to a richly gilded pavilion. Richly decorated pavilions means little bit height, stage like area, painted, and this is colorful, painted with deep color, deep red and blue, dark blue color. The floor was made of marble. In the middle of the room was a huge round oak table, richly curved, capable of seating 50 people. So there was a special characteristics of that room, of that pavilion. There was a round table which was made of oak wood, and it's also richly decorated, and it was capable of sitting 50 people. 50 people could sit around that table. This was the famous round table around which this was the famous round table around which gathered King Arthur's devoted knights. So here the devoted knights of King Arthur could meet with King Arthur. These knights promised that they would help the helpless, be gentle to the weak, and to punish the wicked. The followers, the knights of King Arthur, also promised him that they also would help the helpless people or common people of the kingdom, be gentle to the weak people, and to punish the wicked, the bad one. Okay, and they have to punish the bad people. To keep their vows, the knights undertook countless hazardous adventures. The stories of their goodness and kindness spread throughout the country. So there we observe that the knights of King Arthur, the followers, the obedient, the faithful soldiers of King Arthur, took an oath on that day that they could be gentle to the helpless, to the weak, help the helpless, and to punish the wicked. And to keep the vows, they undertook so many hazardous, risky and dangerous adventures. They also fought many battles. Okay, and the stories of their goodness and kindness spread throughout the country, and their story of their bravery also spread throughout the country.